Okay, folks, this is the final test for this trip. I got the fuel tank in and new fuel line. It actually worked out pretty good. There was a little body plug right there. There's a little body plug, and you know, it makes it look like it was Chrysler factory. You fill it right here. There's about 9 gallons in there right now. I did use the factory routing of the fuel line underneath. All stainless. Yeah, factory routing, somewhat. We're gonna go take it for a ride. Kind of rust-proof the interior a little bit with some rusty rust-proof shit stuff. It's still kind of drying back there. There's my floorboard, my little cardboard floor mat. Okay, I did notice the shift pattern is a little wonky. It's kind of like driving an English car. Maybe I should get the 3-speed shifter conversion. I think, let's close this up. You know, I just bought anything that was cheap on eBay, and I think this is for a 4-speed. And the pattern's a little off. I think there is reverse, there is first. We're gonna experiment and see what it does. The pattern is off, so in the future, maybe I'd find the right tranny and put it back to how it should be. All right, let's put you on head cam gear, and we're gonna take it for a ride. You know why? Because this is the big moment. This car, I had it running a few years back, but I didn't have 3rd gear, and reverse was very sketchy. So we'll give it a shot here. All right. All right, I hope you guys can see what's going on. I'm probably not gonna get another video here. Okay, we got my, actually, if you take your shoe off, you can use the clutch pedal pretty good. You know, you can reach and curl it, you know. You don't need this clutch return spring. All right, let's give it a shot. Put it in neutral here. I think reverse is up here. No, that's second. Oh, reverse is down. Maybe I have the rods mixed up. I don't think so though. First and reverse is always on this side. Well, it's a good strong reverse. We got a little brakes, not much. Okay, I think that's first. It's just ground. Yeah, that's first. All right. First is up. Second must be down here. Let's open up these wing vents. I need some ventilation in here. Woo. All right, everybody happy? Look at that new improved interior. Second here. Oh, that's third. That's second. Oh, okay. The shift pattern is, maybe I got the rods mixed up. That's second. And third is up. Maybe I got the rods mixed up. Strange. Let's try third. First time ever in 3rd gear. Oh yeah, baby. Got it. first. Oh, third is up. Okay. I see. That's second. All right, we got it. We got it. We figured it out. Awesome. Shit, we might even go on the highway a little bit and see what happens. That's second. That's third. Okay, the shift pattern is, I must have the rod switch is all I can think of. Huh. I'll have to ask my dad about that. And he'll say, well, obviously you have something screwed up. Oh, it's nice to have sync rolls, wow. Okay, we're in second. Let's put it in first and coast down here. So you got that shoe off, you can curl your toe there. Oh yeah, this thing is awesome. Needs some exhaust work for sure. Look at the fins on this sucker. Okay, we're gonna run it through the gears. We're gonna go on the highway, folks. I mean, not Interstate 8. Temperature's good. I know I got fuel. There's 9 gallons in there. Okay, we're gonna go on the frontage road here. God, I don't dare go on Highway 8. That would be really spectacular. Oh, we got it, baby. Definitely a runner. Better take it easy. These tires are toast, man. Yeah, we gotta get a shifter boot. There's a lot of air coming in here. Wow, man, this is great. So it popped out a third earlier. Let's see if we can make it pop out. Oh yeah, it pops out. All right. But under load it stayed in. That's cool. You know, these trannies are, everything's old and pointy, you know. I think we're gonna turn around up here. I'm not pushing my luck on this one. Needs a tune-up bad. All right, let's see if we can catch up with this truck. Dude, these tires suck. Let's get this thing back before it starts exploding. Temperature's good. It's in third gear. Probably doing about 50, 45 or 50. Get this baby back. I think I pushed it enough today. Engine's strong though, man. You know, with some better exhaust and a little tuning, I haven't changed a plug or anything. I haven't changed a wire or a plug or anything. Brakes suck too. Damn. Brakes and tires. Okay, I think we're gonna reset this camera so we can get a, that's probably 10 minutes right there. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, let's reset this so we can get another video.